Yoga is the journey of the self, to the self, and through the self. Yoga is a group of physical, mental, and spiritual practices which originated in ancient India. The purpose of yoga is to build strength, awareness, and harmony in both mind and body. When we talk about yoga and meditation, it begins with the relaxation and nourishment of our mind. This way is meditation. Meditation is exploring ourselves, relaxing ourselves, and getting in tune with our inner universe. So let's get in, exploring and relaxing ourselves with peace and harmony. Close your eyes and make yourselves comfortable. Take a deep breath slowly and hold for the count of 3. And exhale slowly. Repeat this activity for 5 times with relaxation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Om Shanti. I, the creator of every thought, I, the eternal being, I am the energy. Take your attention to the center of your forehead and visualize a very shining point of light. That point of light in the center of the forehead. The energy, the master, resides here and takes charge of the body. I, the soul, am exploring the universe with happiness, love, peace, power, and purity. Rub your palms. Open up your eyes. Now, after charging our mind, let's charge our body with physical energy for fitness. Yoga has been a precious gift for the world since ages, which has a lot of benefits. It helps to build strength, flexibility, reduce stress, and helps to make healthier life choices. Let's begin with warm-up exercises. Is a very significant pranayama. Take a thumb and finger and hold one nostril while inhaling and hold other nostril while exhaling. Vrikshasana. Stand straight, raise your right leg up and place it on the left thigh. Rise your palms and keep it closer. Vajrasana. Kneel on the floor and sit straight like this. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Raise your trunk and head supported by the palms and look upward gently. Now, let us convey our praises to Lord Surya with Surya Namaskar, which is the ultimate asana. There are 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. Let's get in.
सूर्य तुझे नमस्ते, धरती तुझे नमन, शुक्रिया वायु तेरा, धन्यवाद गगन, कोश कोश का अभिनंदन, श्वास श्वास में हो चंदन, विश्व एक परिवार ने योग को किया है वंदन, विश्व एक परिवार ने योग को किया है वंदन.
At last, we can say that yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
युक्तो जहातीहा उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्. विश्व एक परिवार ने